Do you love to feel the sway of the sea by boat ride? At Tourbase, we've partnered with top-rated local businesses to bring you the very best boat tours that you can find on the island of Roatan. One great option is the glass-bottom boat sloth and snorkel combo. You'll hop on board the glass-bottom boat and head downstairs where you'll experience an incredible boat ride submerged to the ocean floor. You'll witness the tropical fish and coral reefs up close for some picture-perfect opportunities. After your boat ride, visit the friendly animals at the Sloths sanctuary and jump in the waters for an unbelievable snorkeling experience. At the glass-bottom boat sloth and horseback tour, not only will you explore the ocean floor by boat and by snorkeling, but you'll also experience the funnest way of exploring the island. So saddle up with your riding partner and get ready to explore Roatan by horseback. If you prefer to stay active, check out the Kayak Harbor Adventure and Reef Snorkel. Your guide will lead you through the French Quay Harbor and you'll have the opportunity to see some wildlife as you explore the mangroves. Or maybe, if you're feeling adventurous, try the ATV Zipline and Snorkel Tour. Before jumping on your boat ride to pristine snorkeling spots, you'll hop on an ATV for an incredible off-roading experience around the island. Then you'll tackle the zipline course and take in the sights of Roatan's lush jungles. At Tourbase, we've simplified the trip planning process, making it easier for you to select the perfect excursion for your family trip to Roatan.